We've talked a lot about long-term investing in previous videos. But why long-term? Don't people make money in the short term? Of course there is. However, our priority here is for middle-class individuals to make their investments in the right and safest way to buy their financial freedom. As humans, we tend to focus too much on the end result. Every little thing we hear from others makes us think, I wish. For example, a relative tells you, I invested in this stock and earned 5 times the profit. And you're like, wow, I wish I'd done the same thing. This effect leads you to quickly research a stock or a different area without doing the necessary research. Then, based on the information you hear around you, you make an investment and you lose what you have. Then you seem unable to repair your relationship with the concept of investment. Because you don't have millions to invest in the short term. Even if you did, you will not be able to get any results based on the information you have collected from the outside. The first thing you need to earn is to guide your subconscious mind. Does your subconscious always offer you quick wins? Definitely you're just focusing on winning. But have you ever thought about the risks associated with quick wins? Never. You're just focusing on winning. And as a result, why not calculate the probability of experiencing a loss? This is where subconscious control comes in. Turn off the external sounds that come into your subconscious. You should only have your own research in mind. Let me be very honest with you. You won't be rich with your savings this year. You won't be rich next year either. Here's what you need to do, as Warren Buffett explained. Do you think Warren Buffett, the world's largest investor, is a short-term player or a long-term player? Obviously, he's a long-term player. Warren Buffett made his first investment at the age of 11. Buffett is now 93 years old. So when did he become a millionaire? He's 32 years old. When did he become a billionaire? He's 50 years old. With Warren Buffett's active wealth exceeding $100 billion, why can't you reach such a fortune? If you have a limited amount of savings, you need to learn not to try to multiply by 5. Making a stupid move without knowing anything can drain your savings. Remember, everything you do in the stock market without your knowledge is gambling. Let's say you have made a profit on your first investment. Sooner or later you will lose your savings. Don't gamble with your savings. Just as we explained in the previous videos, start with the income you earn with 5 or 6 dividend stocks that you hope will grow risk-free and constantly. This will put you among the rich in 15 years. December. Do not touch this accumulation after 15 years. Trust me. Your grandchildren will become billionaires with your savings. The topics we are discussing here are examples and sources of motivation. In fact, everyone watches these videos to get motivated. They code by repeating what they know subconsciously. Can these encodings reach the right stage? Is it enough to watch just one video for them to get to that stage? No. We all live with the dream of becoming rich as soon as possible. We can understand the realization stage of this dream only after we become rich. And based on this, we grow our wealth even more. So why do people who are rich suddenly lose their wealth within a few years? For example, look at the lottery winners. The only thing they did to get rich was buy tickets. There was no way to get rich. They had no story to tell. Can the story of someone who has no path be written correctly? No. We want to get rich quickly to save time. Do you think that wealth can be valuable when it comes from the lottery? Or is wealth equivalent to the value that you produce on a path that you have been working on for a certain period of time? You can guess the answer to that. The value given by a person who earns a fortune through labor is given to his effort, not to his money. Our subconscious deceives us with our dreams, and therefore we forget everything. If your dreams do not have the potential to become goals, free yourself from these dreams. If you can turn your dreams into goals, this video will provide you with the potential you need. So why should you prefer long-term investments? In this investment choice, you will not be affected by sudden price changes or crises. 8. In the world of compound interest. You will quickly learn that it is wonderful. As long as you keep your patience and composure, the first thing you will notice is I'm winning. It will be difficult to maintain your patience for 1 or 2 years. Only later will you understand the power of compound interest. And time will pass like water. The feeling of I'm winning will be replaced by the feeling of I won. How can you implement long-term investment? You will do a thorough research. You will analyze the financial situation of companies, industry trends, and their future potential. You will focus on the most popular and low-risk companies in the world. They should show you their potential for the next 50 years. After doing this, you will diversify your portfolio. Invest in 5 to 6 or more or less stocks. Never underestimate the concept of dividends. Compound interest is the 8th in the world. If it's great, the dividends are 9. He's great. Again, be patient when making a choice. In the stock market, those who are patient stayed at the top, while those who are impatient stayed below. Don't forget to keep track of your investments regularly. But stay away from impulsive reactions. Stick to your strategy. In conclusion, if you want to turn your dreams into goals and your goals into financial freedom, long-term investing is a sound strategy. Patience, research, and regular monitoring are the keys to success in this strategy. By focusing on the long term, you have the potential to grow without being affected by market fluctuations. I hope this video has provided you with valuable information about long-term investing. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you can be informed about my new videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.